Everyone, welcome back to TFBAGAS. So today I show you tutorial about how to create firework and smoke effect in After Effects. So in this video I will create the tutorial because there's some requests at Instagram, so I made it. So in this video I will show you tutorial about how to create fireworks and smoke effect in After Effects, but I'll use fastest way. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so for the result you can see at the thumbnail, yeah, and without further ado, let's do it. So first you need to prepare a new solid. So and then for this tutorial I will use particular plugin. So you need to prepare particular plugin and make sure you use the latest version. Not use latest version is okay, but don't use old version because the fastest way for this video I'll use preset and customize it. Okay, so make sure you using a new version, but how I say that, just go to designer, because at new version at the preset you will see a lot of preset that you can use and customize it. Alright, so to make a firework you can go to single system first. You can scroll into explosive, and as you can see there's some firework effect like blast spark and explode like this, close spark, and spark blast like this. Alright, so you can choose one of them and you can customize it, but for the firework I will use multiple system presets, and you can scroll into firework like this and you can see a lot preset of firework. So for the example I will use this one, Independence Day, and it will be like this. And then you can customize the color. You can go to color and customize the color. Maybe I will try to make a rainbow like this, and then you can set the emitter type, motion, aux system, and physics. I will try to change the aux. Maybe I will do scatter trail like this, or aux straight like this, but I will try to use this one. Alright, and then you can go to apply, but I will show you there's a lot of preset that you can use to make firework, and you can apply like this, and as you can see there's the firework is automatically applied, and you can change the position. At position, maybe you want to make it forward or not, change the position. And to make it more realistic, usually I use deep blue to make it more brighter and look like a real firework. Okay, and as you can see the result will be like this, and I will like to try the other preset. Maybe I will try to use firework cascade like this. You can like apply, and as you can see there's the firework. It look good, look realistic, no need a lot of effort, just use preset at particular and customize it. Okay, alright, firework effect is done. Let's go to smoke. Alright, I would like to reset a particular first. Right, you can go to particular and designer again. For the smoke, usually I use single system. You can scroll it into where is it, into nature, and as you can see there's a cloud cover and